Man, it's all muddy and I didn't wear my boots. It's all ew. Gonna have wet feet today. Set you guys up on the truck. Get this up. What's going on today, YouTube? It's Old Man Weiss. I just got back from the barber. It stopped raining a little bit ago. It's starting to dry up. Was gonna empty this stuff yesterday, but the scales were down at scrapyard, but they're back up today. At least I was told. So we're gonna go dump this stuff. I got to get ready to start doing lawn care, but it's supposed to keep raining off and on, so I don't know if it's gonna be dry enough to. But yeah, the plan today is to go out, get all this stuff off the trailer, and try to get some stuff done. Let's do it. All right, guys, I'm here in scrapyard. I got my ticket. We're about to go get this stuff weighed, and we'll get it unloaded. All right, guys, 6,120 pounds.
Good.
Thank you, brother. So we'll get this over here, get all this stuff off, and yeah, we'll go cash out and might go cut the neighborhood entrance. Man, it's all muddy and I didn't wear my boots. It's all ew. Gonna have wet feet today. Set you guys up on the truck. Get this up. I ain't got it, but there was a tow truck out in the parking lot when I left a couple days ago.
Oh, I
And I had stopped it. But yeah, I don't have any plugs on them.
Oh. Real close tie. I didn't have one.
Well,
They fixed the last time. I want to try to call maybe, so that they got this phone, man. Yeah.
Did it put a gas in it?
I can't tell you.
Shit, at least see if they got an air compressor they can hook up. Alright, let's go way out. Alright guys, out here at the scrapyard, they had to give me a different type of ticket because the machine's not working right. But we had 980 pounds of light iron for a total of $63. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, we're back at the house. I'm gonna grab the old mower. Surprisingly, the seat's not all soaked. I thought it was gonna be. Take this up, put it on trailer. Let's go. Oh. Starts right up. Did you hear that? that, I'll put the stuff in the truck. I'll strap it down, then we'll go upstairs and we'll go up and we'll get the neighborhood entrance cut. That's the plan. Now I'm the man. Let's go. Alright guys, I just got it weeded. About to get it blowed off. I was going to edge it, but I don't have my edger. It's at the house. And I only do it like once a month, so I'll wait till next week when I come up here to do it to edge it. But I'm going to get this blower started and we can go blow it off. Let's go. Alright guys, I just finished up the front entrance and it's perfect timing. See if you got, it's just starting to rain. So that's good. Wanted to bring you guys a different type of video today. You know, a little bit of scrapping, a little bit of lawn care mixed in with it. Most days are usually like this. I take a load of scrapping morning, afternoon, I go cut a yard or two. But that's going to be all for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I need to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. My watch time, my watch hours are going up, my subscribers going up, but we got to keep on going. Can't stop now. But thank you guys for watching. Love you. Like, subscribe. Have a good day. I'm Old Man Weiss. I'm out.